God wants to give us back some stuff that we lost. He wants to restore some things to us. But we're gonna have to keep moving forward, and we gotta get out of our grief to do it. He wants to build new structures for your life so that those vulnerabilities that you had before are eliminated. So what happened before isn't something that can come back around, ripped from your life again. Like Psalm 1 says, he wants you to be blessed, but that's gonna require you listening to the voices of godly counsel. It's gonna require you standing with or hanging with the right circle of people, and also knowing where to put those people.